Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install Tilt on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all I want you to do is simply go ahead and search for App Store and go ahead and open it. On the search bar of App Store, simply go ahead and search for Tilt, just like that. Once you've done that, here is the application. All I want you to do is go ahead and tap on this download button right over there. And once you've done that, it's going to take a little bit, but it's going to go ahead and download and install onto your mobile device right over here. So once it has downloaded and installed, all you need to do is just simply go ahead and tap on open, and all you need to do is click on allow, and this is where you can simply go ahead and sign up or log in to a Tilt account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next.